So I have to say the back altitude is quite heavy. We'll walk. Come with me. So I have to say the back altitude is quite heavy. I have no clue how high we are, but we started, I believe, at 4,000 meters. That's quite high, and we are only climbing. All the time I want to make nice videos with a drone or just with my camera. Then I'm in the back of the group. Then I have to get in front of the group again to make the videos. The rest of the group is far down. Take a look. You see a guy with a yellow backpack or a yellow rain cover. That is the front of the group. And the rest is far behind. And here you can see already the changing of the colors. We're now on 5,000 meters high, but look. In this video you will see the colors, how they really are. Like I say, it is tiring to climb, but few minutes. Finally at the top. So we're almost back. I hope you enjoyed the video. The thing is, what I will do next is take the bus back the same road, and after an hour or something we will get lunch, and after the lunch we will get back to Cusco. So hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe on my channel. I need a lot of more subscribers if I want to do this for my living. So please subscribe, and see you in the next video.